Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes, and I'm so excited because today we are cooking in an amazing fifth wheel. This is the 2020 version of the Beacon 39 FBB. It's made by Van Lee, which is a division of Tiffin. I'm telling you, this space is incredible. It's larger than a lot of apartments I've seen, and I could easily live in one like that. Today we're making green bean casserole. Let's get started. I took 2 cups of fresh green beans, trimmed them, and boiled them in water for about 10 minutes with a bouillon cube and a good bit of kosher salt. While the beans were cooking, I sautéed a 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/2 cup of fresh chopped mushrooms, and a 1/2 cup of diced onion. Once the 2 of those were together, I was ready to move forward, and here we are. In my bowl, I have 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh nutmeg. If you don't have fresh, you can use grated, maybe about 1/4 teaspoon. A little pinch of kosher salt, couple of grates of fresh black pepper, and just a sprinkle of garlic powder for taste. Mix it all up really well. Now, this bowl contains a 1/2 cup of panko crumbs and a 1/2 cup of French onion. And I took 1/3 of the cup out so I could reserve it for the top of the casserole. So I'm going to add those in to my mushroom soup. Here goes my green beans and my sautéed vegetables. Just give everything a good stir and mix it all together. Wow, those green beans are so gorgeous. Love the color. Now, once I've got it mixed together, it's got to go into the pan. But you know what I'm going to do to that pan, right? I'm going to spray it with a little bit of cooking spray because we do not want anything to stick. Everything into the pan. Spread everything out nice and evenly. And now it's ready to go into the oven. We're going to go in at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, and I already have one ready to come out. Now, for the last step of this recipe, we're going to sprinkle on 2/3 of a cup of cheese. And you can use whatever cheese you want. Cheddar, this is Mexican cheese today. And the rest of our fried French onions and panko crumbs on the top. I can't wait to taste this. And now it's ready to go back into the oven for another 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Now I happen to have one already. Look how beautiful that is. And I would really like to try it. How about you? That is so good. Green beans, the creaminess of the mushroom soup, the crunchiness of the panko and the French fried onions. That is an amazing side dish. Try it today, and we'll see you the next time on Cooking with Convection.